One of Australia's greatest treasures is the flora, with a staggering 24,000 species of native plants processed from pollination, seed dispersal, and asexual reproduction. Wind insects and other animals are adaptations used for pollination. Wind-pollinated flora are green and odorless, with small petals usually grouped together in large numbers. Examples of this are grass flowers such as lily and perrine. Their long anthers produce large amounts of light pollen easily picked up by wind. Pollination by insects, commonly bees, locate food by odor and orient themselves on the flowers by shape, bright colors, and texture. Native daisies use their bright colors and sweet nectar to attract butterflies, especially the Australian painted lady, for pollination. Animals including bats, possums, and other small rodents may also aid in pollination. Some Australian mammals pollinate common plant species found in the bush and gardens throughout Australia. A wide popular example is the grey-headed flying fox, which pollinates on grevillea. After plants have successfully pollinated and fertilized, the seeds start to develop. Plants need to disperse their seeds to prevent overcrowding and increase chances of survival during environmental change. Some seeds are adapted to catching the wind and being blown away with it. This is visible in plants such as dandelions. Seeds may also possess hooks or barbs, for example bird lime trees, which help them cling and be carried on the outside of animals. They can also be dispersed through animals as they are attracted to the brightly colored fruits or berries. Once it has passed through the animal's digestive system, the seeds germinate at a spot upon which they were excreted at. For example, mistletoe. It has sticky seeds which are deposited on trees by mistletoe birds. Some seeds are stored until a fire occurs, allowing the capsules to open, releasing the seeds for dispersal. This is present in the follicles of Banksia. Seeds also may float on water and be dispersed distances over different water bodies, like rivers and oceans. The reliance on water is present in water gums and mangroves. Asexual reproduction is the process in which there is only one parent and no actual fertilization occurs. Budding is the development of a new individual as an outgrowth of the parent plant, which is a smaller replica of itself. An example of this is coral, generally found in the Great Barrier Reef. The Australian fern tree reproduces asexually from spore formation by producing spores on the underside of their fronds. These spores are distributed by wind. Vegetation propagation is the process by which plants form new plants from using a runner, which are long, thin stems that grow along the surface of the soil, for example, spinifex grass.